Welcome to today's English conversation practice. In this script, you'll follow a casual and friendly chat between Mia and Ryan, who unexpectedly meet at a grocery store. This real-life situation helps you practice daily English vocabulary, understand how native speakers talk casually, learn aisle, expiry date, refund, and more. The language is easy to understand, and the dialogue is natural and relatable, perfect for beginners or intermediate learners. Ready to improve your English the fun way? Let's begin.
What a surprise! Grocery shopping too?
Yeah, I had no choice. My kitchen looks like a desert, empty and dry.
I get that. I've been surviving on toast and coffee for 3 days.
That sounds rough.
Just too busy to shop. You know how it is. Work, errands, life.
Totally. I meant to come yesterday, but ended up watching TV all evening.
Classic. So, what's on your list?
Totally. I meant to come yesterday, but ended up watching TV all evening.
You could grab frozen lasagna. It's my go-to after long days.
Oh yeah? Is it any good?
Surprisingly tasty. It just takes 10 minutes in the oven. You'll thank me later.
I trust you.
Aisle 6, right next to the frozen peas and corn.
Got it. You really know this place, huh?
I practically live here. The cashier even knows my coffee order.
That's both impressive and a little sad.
Don't judge me. Anyway, want to shop together?
Absolutely. Shopping is way less boring with company.
Cool. Let's start with fruits. Bananas are on sale today.
Perfect. Lead the way, expert shopper.
Oh wait, do you have your shopping bags? I forgot mine again.
I always forget. I just keep buying new ones.
Same. I probably have a collection at home.
Reusable bags are the new fashion now.
Ha, maybe next time we'll remember. Today, plastic it is.
Let's just call it a reusable fail.
Agreed. All right, time to grab those bananas before they run out. These apples look fresh.
Yeah. I prefer red ones. They're sweeter and juicier.
I like green. A little sour, but they're so crisp and refreshing.
Green apples remind me of school lunches.
Totally. I used to trade them for cookies back then.
Haha, smart move. So what else do you need?
Bananas, maybe some oranges too. I'm trying to eat healthier this week.
These oranges are on sale. 2 for 1.
Nice. I'll grab a few. They'll be great for breakfast.
Do you always check expiry dates?
Always, especially for dairy. One time I almost drank spoiled milk. It was awful.
I once ate expired cheese. Didn't realize until it smelled weird.
Yuck. Did you return it?
Nah, I just tossed it in the bin.
You could have asked for a refund, you know.
I know, but I was too lazy to go back.
That's such a waste. But I get it. Life's busy.
Definitely. Anyway, let's head to the dairy section.
Sure. Do you drink almond milk or regular?
Almond milk these days. Regular milk messes with my stomach.
Same here. I switched last year. Lactose just doesn't sit well anymore.
High five, dairy-free buddy.
We're getting old, Ryan. Can't even drink milk now.
Speak for yourself. I'm just evolving.
Oh, please. What's next? Gluten-free everything.
Hey, don't tempt me. I might actually try it.
Let's just stick with almond milk for now. And maybe get some yogurt. Dairy-free, of course.
Sounds like a plan. Should we check for strawberries too?
Oh, yes, they go perfectly with yogurt. Let's check aisle 4.
Lead the way, Fruit Queen.
Okay, dinner ideas?
I could go for pasta. It's quick and filling.
Easy choice. Just grab some spaghetti and a jar of sauce.
Tomato or white sauce?
Tomato. It's lighter, healthier, and goes with everything.
Good call. Should we get some penne too? For variety?
Ooh, nice. That way you have options later in the week.
Exactly. All right, penne and spaghetti, check. What else?
How about breadsticks?
Fancy. I like your style.
Too cold for me tonight. What about chocolate mousse?
That sounds fancy. I've never tried it, actually.
You'll love it. It's soft, creamy, and rich. Tastes like a chocolate dream.
All right, sold. Chocolate mousse it is.
Now, drinks?
Sparkling water or juice?
Juice. Definitely. Sparkling water is too bubbly for me.
Ah, fair enough. Orange or mango?
Mango. It's sweeter and has that tropical vibe.
I feel like I'm dining at a resort tonight.
That's the goal. Who says grocery shopping can't feel fancy?
True. You're surprisingly good at putting meals together.
I watch way too many cooking shows, and I follow 5 food blogs.
That explains it. Meanwhile, I burn toast at least once a week.
Don't worry, we'll work on your skills, step by step.
I need a full kitchen boot camp.
Deal. But tonight, we start with pasta and mousse.
Simple and perfect. Should we get grated cheese too?
Great idea! Parmesan makes everything better.
Got it. Cheese, check. I think we're done.
Yep. Let's go pay before we end up buying the whole store.
Good point. My wallet's already nervous.
Hello? Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you. Everything was easy to find.
Great. Do you need a bag today?
Yes, just one bag, please.
All right. That'll be $34.25.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Please tap or insert it.
Tapping now. There we go.
All set. Would you like the receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Have a great day.
Thanks. You too.
So, dinner's on me?
Only if I get to help cook. I'm not just eating for free.
Deal! I could use a co-chef.
Garlic bread. It's in my freezer. I'll toast it fresh.
Sounds perfect. Can't wait.
Honestly, this was fun. I usually rush in and out alone.
Yeah, grocery shopping with company is way more enjoyable.
Let's do it again next week.
I'm in. Maybe next time we make a full recipe plan.
For sure. But first, wait, did we get eggs?
Oh no, we forgot the eggs.
You said it, and we still missed them.
Classic us. Back to aisle 3.
Yep. Let's go again.
At least we'll get our steps in.
Grocery workout. Who needs the gym?